Burrell, heavyequipmentcapital.com, getequipmentfunding.com, truckingequipmentcapital.com. Yes, we've got several domains that we have acquired as we have put together our website, heavyequipmentcapital.com, to match this page. And getequipmentfunding.com is a landing page that will be blasted out on the internet here soon as we get that set up for you to enter your information and be taken directly to our partner, our capital funding partner, David Allen Capital, along with um, our trucking equipment capital.com website as well. And so basically, just wanted to update our viewers, our followers. You see it's coming through on Facebook and LinkedIn and out there. If you are a small business owner, you are an owner and you are in the space in which your company, your business requires heavy equipment, and that heavy equipment being anything from excavators, if you're in the agricultural sector, row crop tractors, combines, okay, semi trucks, trailers, hopper bottom trailers, pulling corn, hauling corn, soybeans, okay. You're in the construction space. Again, bulldozers, excavators, scrapers, dump trucks, uh, front end loaders. The list goes on. Okay. These three market areas are just happen to be our niche markets. Okay, that we kind of specialize in heavy equipment. Uh, Not to say we you can't get in, can't purchase anything else through us, but if you're in that market, okay, I know guys that are doing land clearing. You're talking bobcats, you're talking dozers, walking floor trailers, whatever the case may be. Okay, you need that equipment. You need to get on the job. You got a new job coming up. Something just came up. You are in need of that high dollar equipment. We can provide that resource for you here at heavyequipmentcapital.com. We can source that for you, help you get you on your way, get that process started, get you in front of our partner, David Allen Capital, uh, ranging from the funds amounts range from our lenders or their lenders, okay, anything from 25,000 up to 2 million, and we're talking, possibly getting an approval on the first day, all right, and funded within 2 to 3 days, okay, based off certain requirements. You've got to be doing this is revenue based capital, okay, so the lenders are revenue based, meaning they're going to be offering you, advancing you money based off of your monthly revenue, your previous monthly revenue, okay, that your business has brought in the prior 3 months, whether it's up or down. That's up for debate. But on the in the short term, the meantime, if you're needing funding, anything 25,000 up to 2 million, uh, give us a call, reach out to us, fill out the information on our website. We have our website set up that will directly link you to the David Allen Capital portal, in which you can simply go to Business Capital, uh, funding up to 2 million, and you can begin your application process right there on the spot. I would recommend to go ahead and have those 3 previous months of bank statements readily available, a voided check, and the owner's driver's license. Okay, owners being of an LLC, your business being an LLC or a corporation. Unfortunately, sole proprietorships aren't on the radar right now. That is about to change. We'll talk about that towards the end. But for right now, our manual process is still in place, but that's about to change. We'll talk about that towards the end of the video. And once you get to the website, David Allen Capital, go to Business Capital. Okay, Business Capital. The application will open up. The application will ask you, one of the key things that it will ask you is, are you the owner? Are you owner of this business? Owner of this checking account? Okay, and you can provide and you can show proof within your bank statements. Okay, that you are at a minimum producing or have produced a minimum of 15,000 per month for the previous month. For example, we're at the end of January. If you were to apply today, you would need to supply December, November, and October's monthly bank statements that are to your bank. EIN, business checking account, no personal accounts that you're using. Okay, business business accounts with an EIN that you had to set up at your financial institution. Okay, 15,000. Okay, right now, the website may say 20. All right, but when you get to the application process, it is 15 currently right now. And so, but again, if you're in need of that capital, that working capital, that to make that equipment purchase or rent equipment, okay, whatever the case may be, go ahead and come through heavyequipmentcapital.com. We got you linked up to go ahead and get you to the website, all right, where you can go ahead and enter your information. And then once your information is put in, we can walk with you as you'll be contacted by the main office and the team there at David Allen Capital. The business account manager will basically reach out to you via phone, text, and email to further the process and to get you on your way. Okay. Again, construction equipment, your industrial, oil and gas, tow trucks, farming, agriculture, you're in the trucking space, and whatever space that you are in the business of, whether it's a Bobcat all the way up to a D9 dozer. Okay. The equipment itself doesn't matter. You need the financing, okay, to do that. Our lenders, you're talking about repayments of zero interest. Your repayment plans will be discussed with you from your account manager there at David Allen Capital. We're talking 0% interest repayment. I want to be clear. There is no interest payments. Okay, these will be daily revenue-based payments based off of your revenue. Credit will come into play towards the end. You will have a soft pull on your credit in the very beginning. A soft pull. Okay, not a hard pull, a soft pull. And that won't come around until your bank statements and your monthly revenues are verified, and that information is in place first. And then the next steps will be to they will pull your credit. Okay, see what your score is actually at. If you tell them you're at 650, 700, and you get an offer of, $300,000. Okay, but then when we move forward and you get, your credit comes back and you're sitting at a 520 or 580, well, naturally you're going to have to understand that that offer is going to drop down, and it's going to reflect your ability to pay that money back. This is revenue-based funding. The award amounts, the approval amounts, and the funding amounts are based on revenue. Okay? Revenue. What has your business generated the 3 months prior? Okay? The 3 months prior. In the past 90 days, what have your revenues been? And that can be verified through your bank statements. Okay? You may apply, okay, and you may get more than what you anticipated. All right, your credit may be better than what you're thinking, which may mean a updated offer or more money may come your way. But if you state that your credit is A and then it comes back being B, okay, well, you understand. This is no different, okay? This is no different from what you're stating in a loan application for a mortgage loan, okay, or a car loan or what have you, any other place. All right, but these lenders through David Allen Capital basically are revenue-based lenders, based off revenue. This is alternative financing. Okay, so uh, again, you're in that heavy equipment space. Okay, feel free to take a look at heavyequipmentcapital.com. We can source you to our main partner, okay, through David Allen Capital. Our web link to all that is readily available. You can apply through the website. You can link to it via looking through the website and what have you. So um, that's pretty much what we wanted to get out today. Again, speaking on the processes to do that, right now we're still in a manual process. That's why I say if you're going to submit your documents, have them readily available, have them printed off already, because you will have to scan those in. Okay, bank statements, driver's license, voided check. Okay, hopefully, coming from the founder of the company, of David Allen Capital, in speaking with the corporate team on this past Monday, January 24th. That is in play to have it where you can apply online directly, link your bank account, okay, link your business checking, okay, and that information already be submitted on the through online, okay, as opposed to having to go out and get it printed off, take a picture, and send it up. All right, so technology is changing and some things are in place. So I think that's what I wanted to cover. But again, heavyequipmentcapital.com. We are your referral source for heavy equipment capital, working capital, 25,000 to 2 million. Okay, we've got a main partner that will get you in front of multiple lenders. All right, that will source and fund your business, so you can get that contract, or you got a contract, you need a piece of equipment, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. If your revenues, the last quarter of 2021 can support, all right, and based off of your revenue, okay, which would be 1 to 2 times based off of your revenue. So whatever your revenue was across the board those 3 months, and you maintain a 15,000 plus monthly balance or deposits, okay, 1 to 2 times of that is what you're looking for. Okay, your repayment terms will be based off of a daily repayment. That will be discussed with your account manager. Okay, and your lenders may offer you more based on your payment history of what you or your payments are doing. You'll start off daily, but those could turn into a weekly payment as well. But all that information will be discussed with your account manager after you apply and get the process going. I am a business agency partner with David Allen Capital, and we will walk through the fire with you until you're funded. Okay, so at any rate, again, just wanted to introduce heavyequipmentcapital.com. All right, and you need that business. Working capital or that equipment financing. Okay, based off your monthly revenue. All right, come take a look at us, and as we can get you to water, get you what you need to have to move forward in your business and to prosper this 2022. Okay, all right. We appreciate you guys listening. Follow us on the Facebook page, heavyequipmentcapital.com. Follow us on LinkedIn, heavyequipmentcapital.com. And feel free to reach out through Messenger or through InMail on LinkedIn, Cameron Burrell. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. Good day.